Welcome to day 5. Our lesson, letter L. The sound is L. L. Say L. L is for lad. L. Lamp. L. Light. Lad. Lamp. Light. L. Lamb. L. Lick. L. Lion. Lamb. Lick. Lion. Letter M. The sound is mm. Mm. Say mm. Mm is for mom. Mm. Map. Mm. Mop. Mom. Map. Mop. Mm. Man. Mm. Milk. Mm. Mat. Mm. This is letter N. The sound is mm. Mm. Say mm. Mm is for none. Mm. Not. Mm. Net. Mm. Mm. Nap. Mm. Nest. Mm. Nose. Nap. Nest. Nose. This is letter P. The sound is P. P. Say P. P is for pan. P. Pat. P. Pig. Pan. Pat. Pig. P. P. Pin. P. Pit. P. Pen. Pin. Pit. Pen. P. Children, remember the letter sounds. L, M, N, P. Let's repeat, children. L, M, N, P. It's your turn. Good job. Now, do this activity. If you're done, let's check. Letter P, P, pen. Letter N, nose. Letter M, map. Letter L, lamb. Letter M, mop. Letter P, pin. Letter L, lion. Letter N, nest. You are the best.